Hey Eric, you want to get a real chuckle? This is typical Phil Braid. You got to see this. Hang on. Okay, you remember this cupboard? You sit in the basement. Okay, let's open the door. Oh, the latch doesn't work. Well, why not? Oh, I see. This piece has come undone from the back of the door. All we really have to do is put a couple of screws in there. Ah, that's a lot of work. I know what we'll do. We'll just screw on a couple of pieces of wood. Yeah. There. Problem solved. Phil Bird to repair. What do you think?